Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good day to everyone. My name Ahmad Sobri bin Hashim. I am a senior lecturer of Computer and Information Sciences Department, Faculty of Science and Information Technology, University Technology Petronas. In CIS department, I have been tasked to teach several programming courses such as structured programming and database system, web programming, and also some other programming courses which are offered by Center for Foundation Studies. Throughout my 5 years experience teaching the programming courses, I noticed that students are having hard time to visualize how the program works. It is especially due to the use of traditional method of delivering this course, where we use input and output screen from the compilers such as Dev C++, Pascal compiler, and so on. From this problem, we come up with an idea to teach the basic programming using robot. So we wrote subtle proposal on this idea, and Alhamdulillah we managed to secure 25k ringgit Malaysia, and we would like to thank to UTP for awarding this grant to us to conduct this project. And then for this project, we are using this robot. The name of this robot is MBot, right? Now using this robot, instead of we write program and then we display in input and output screen, now whenever we write the program, we can see how this robot moves to the right, to the left, to the back, to the front, and also this robot got a few other capabilities to what we call it, retrieve the input, for example like sensors and so on. So after conducting what we call it experiments, we use quasi experimental design to what we call it to look into the effectiveness of using this robot. So we have recruited 40 participants. So these participants are students from second year UTP. The students have been selected based on their test 1 mark. So we have identified 40 students who obtain grade B and below, because the idea is to improve this group of students so that they perform better in the coming test and also final exam. So based on the result that we have collected after the intervention using this robot, intervention program using this robot, so we found that significant improvement has been recorded for their algorithmic skills. However, only minimal increment has been recorded for final exam. So after getting this result, we explore further why this happened. So there are few what we call it limitations have been identified whenever we conduct our we call it intervention using robot. Number one, because of the programming language. The programming language that we call it that is applied in this MBot robot is the Scratch programming. So students cannot somehow what we call it bridge the idea of using Scratch programming, which is visual programming, with the C++ program. And then the second issue is related to time taken to assemble the robot. So it means that before students need to what we call it conduct teaching and learning activity, they need to spend more time to assemble the robot. So you can imagine, if let's say we have 2 hours left, so 30 minutes has been allocated for what we call it for assembling the robot. So for the students who are good, who are A students, so they will not have any issues with this. But for students who are what we call it low achiever and also average achievers, so they will find this what we call it they will find this tool give more burden to them. I guess this is the first subtle project that has been extended to PRGS, and this PRGS project is still ongoing, And at the end of this PRGS project, I really hope that our students can get benefit from this what we call intervention tool in improving their programming skills. Expected outcome of this PRGS project will also have potential for commercialization. Thank you very much.